In the world of drones, performance isn't just about flight, it's about precision, power, and thrust, and it all begins with the motor. A drone is only as strong as the motor that drives it. Efficiency in lift, stability in air, and endurance in flight, all these critical factors depend on one thing: a high-performance, reliable motor. At Mechtex, we don't just manufacture motors, we engineer propulsion solutions tailored for diverse drone applications. From heavy-lift drones to compact surveillance UAVs, our portfolio includes different types of motors that are designed for specific payloads, flight durations, and application needs. They deliver exceptional power density, power-to-weight ratio, thermal efficiency, and control precision. With kV ratings ranging from 80 to 1200 kV, a maximum thrust generation of up to 30 kilograms, and maximum power of 7,000 watts. The rotor dynamic balance standard for our motors is less than 0.01 gram, and gets up to IP45 rating. Mechtex drone motors are compatible with ESCs up to 200 ampere and are optimized for up to 32-inch propellers. Our motors work in a voltage range of 4S to 14S and have an insulation temperature class of up to 200 degrees Celsius. So, what makes Mechtex stand out? Mechtex is an ISO 9001 certified company from TÜV. Our products have UL, RoHS and REACH certifications. Our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility has a manufacturing capacity of over 300,000 units monthly. Lightweight yet robust design. High torque-to-weight ratio. Smooth, vibration-free operation. Silent performance for tactical applications. All these make our drone motors a formidable force for any drone application. Each motor is crafted with aerospace-grade materials and goes through rigorous testing. From thrust bench test to torque test, from rotor balancing to thermal cycling test. All these tests ensure flawless performance even in the harshest conditions. And behind every product is our strong and dedicated R&D and quality control team, constantly innovating for the future of unmanned flight. This enables us to deliver customized, tailor-made solutions for OEMs, designed to meet the performance requirements of their critical applications. That's why various industry leaders trust Mechtex drone and gimbal motors in their critical systems for various industries. Need help choosing? Visit Mechtex.com to explore motor types and find the right solution.